In accounting, the terms debit and credit have specific meanings that might surprise you compared to how we use them at the bank. To understand these concepts, we have to look at the fundamental accounting equation that keeps every business's books in perfect balance. This equation is the foundation. Every single financial transaction involves at least two parts to ensure this balance remains perfectly stable. A debit is simply an entry on the left side of an account ledger, while a credit is an entry on the right side. Whether a debit increases or decreases a balance depends on the type of account you are tracking. If a business receives cash for a sale, they debit the cash asset account and credit the revenue account to keep everything balanced. Remember that these terms are just directional tools for bookkeepers to track where money goes and where it comes from. Understanding these entries is the first step toward reading financial statements. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics.